have a very gently used Roland FR-3X accordion. These accordions are fully digital, so you do need a power supply. Fully digital, which means you can simulate a lot of different accordions in this instrument. You can have Italian, you can have Irish, you could have German. There's a lot of different accordion sets in here. And then you have your registers, which like on a normal accordion, it just changes the sound from, say, like a bassoon to a musette or whatever. Also, you have the capability to program your favorite sounds into user programs, which is what I'm going to demonstrate. These are pre-programmed sounds that someone liked, so I'm going to just use those to demonstrate how this accordion can sound. It's very lightweight, compact. If you want to adjust the bellows where you don't want to have to pull the bellows at all, you can do that. So there's a lot of different options on this accordion. So you have a reverb capability here, which is nice. I'll demonstrate what this sounds like. It's